July na at dahil malapit na ang birthday ni Apo Mabini, tinutuunan natin ng pansin ang mga pinaglalaban ng mga Pilipinong may kapansanan sa darating na July 17 hanggang 23. Back in 1979, President Marcos Sr. issued an order creating the National Disability Prevention and Rehabilitation Week. Maganda naman po yung intention pero matagal nang hindi agree ang disability community sa vibe nitong commemoration na to kasi it pushes a one-dimensional view of disability which follows the medical and the charity model. Yun bang peg na kami normal, kayo hindi, or ay may kulang sa kanila, or may sakit sila, kawawa naman sila, or dapat gamutin sila kung hindi sila kasali. This mentality pushes those with disabilities to the fringes of society. Hindi po gaganda ang buhay nila kung walang nag-iiba sa lipunan para makasali sila sa mga oportunidad na naaabot ng mga walang kapansanan. Kailangan din ituro na meron pong mga kapansanan na hindi nakikita, hindi nagagamot, o hindi maiiwasan. I felt so strongly about this that I even wrote an essay back in 2018 calling for the rebranding of this commemoration to help improve perceptions of persons with disabilities. Kaya ganun na lang ang saya ko when President Marcos Jr. signed an order declaring July 17 to 23 National Disability Rights Week, thanks to the efforts of the National Council on Disability Affairs. It changed the perspective on disability from a medical or charity model to being a rights-based model. If you want to learn more about this, read the United Nations Convention of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Kapag labas natin sa factory, iba-ibang settings natin. Sana magets ng mas marami. Disability is a natural variation of a human condition. We have to learn to give reasonable accommodation to those with disabilities. Hindi dahil kawawa sila, pero dahil may karapatan sila. O, diba?
Meow meow.